Introduce highlight features or overview summary for LINGDU LD2K, rear view mirror camera Wi-Fi. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Wi-Fi control. The rear-view mirror camera provides real-time video viewing, downloading and sharing videos through the LINGDU app. Users could share your travel highlights and important accident records with family and friends. 2.5K front 1080p rear camera. LD2K rearview mirror camera offers front 2.5K and rear 1080p resolution to capture scenery and key moments on the road. The LINGDU mirror dashcam front and rear have 150 degrees wide-angle lenses, providing a wider field of view. 10-inch IPS full touch screen. LD2K 10-inch screen mirror dash camera provides a wide field of view and enhancing safety. The rear-view mirror dash camera could easily switch front, rear and dual views by sliding the screen left or right. Reverse assist. LD2K rear view mirror backup camera will display the reversing assist line when reversing. LD2K rear view mirror dashcam helps users park safely. The LD2K rear view mirror dashcam could adjust the rear camera angle through vertical and mirror flipping. WDR night vision. The rear view mirror dashcam could adjust the exposure through WDR technology, f1.8 aperture and 6-layer optical lens. The rearview mirror dashcam could clearly capture nighttime road conditions. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is 24 hours parking monitor. In parking mode, the mirror dashcam automatically starts and records 60 seconds of video during a collision. The rearview mirror dashcam can take 1 fps photos through time-lapse parking mode. The rearview mirror dashcam can protect the safety of the vehicle 24 hours. Hardwire kit purchased separately. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.